If your pressure is low in the sink, it may be due to an aerator. Repair can knock debris loose, so that's why we clean the aerators at the end of a job. If we weren't able to flush all of it out of the aerator, all it would take is another simple cleaning. And this is how you clean your aerator. We take this thing off right here at the end of the faucet. Sometimes it could be a little tough to get off. You might need to use some channel locks. There'll be some debris caught in this little screen here. You could take it completely out and run some water. And put it back in. It'll work perfectly fine. Same thing can happen with the shower. So how you fix that is you would take this head off, you'd run some water, clean the inside out there, flush all the water out of the line, make sure there's no more in there, and then you're good to go. You can put it back on. That should fix the pressure on your faucet or your shower.